So. Und weiter geht's. Jo, Episode 4 schon. Es kann sein, dass wir das heute sogar noch vollends durchziehen. Aber nicht am Stück. Vielleicht machen wir dann erst noch Episode 4 vollends durch. Danach ein bisschen Guitar Hero und dann gegen Abend, so gegen 11 oder halb 11 machen wir dann den Rest. So fände ich es eigentlich ganz gut. Ich bin jetzt echt gespannt, wie es weitergeht. Das sieht ja gerade nicht ganz so gut aus für die Guten, sage ich jetzt mal. Episode 4. In Sheep's Clothing.
Hi.
Unter dem Schafsmantel.
Hi, Nerissa. Have a seat.
Are you okay? You didn't look good last night. I wasn't sure you'd
Mir ging's schon mal
be
besser.
around.
Let's just say I've been better.
Ich würde jetzt echt nicht rauchen.
Huff and puffs. Not many people smoke those.
Mhm.
Thanks.
So what is it you wanted to talk to me about? I know what you did for me, sending me to the open arms.
Moment, up. Sorry, Yoshi.
There's not a lot that I can talk about. You know that.
So that spell Crane was trying to break. It's not just while you're at work.
Ja. Was ist das für ein Zauber, dass sie nicht reden dürfen? Warum?
I don't want to waste your time, but I don't want you wasting your own time either.
Back in the dressing room, at the Pudding and Pie, I told you what I was looking for, and you found a way to tell me. You sent me to the open arms. Maybe that'll work again?
You can try. I just... Go ahead. It might work.
You're here because the Crooked Man just sent Crane to the bottom of my list of worries. You have something you want to say about that, right?
These lips are sealed. If I could answer you just like that. it wouldn't
Können die nicht einfach schreiben? Dass sie einfach auf dem Papier schreibt oder so? Geht das?
Sometimes we have to find our way through life on our own, grasping and fumbling in the dark. I used to have friends to help me find my way, but now they're gone, and I don't know what to do. Is this making any sense? I'm not sure how I can.
Are you trying to say something about Faith and Lily?
What I'm saying is friends matter. And I don't have any left. So I hope you're looking after yours.
Wir sollen auf Snow White aufpassen.
Are you? Look around you.
Who are you talking about? Are my friends in danger?
I'm sorry.
Natürlich.
I thought I could do this. I need you to know I want to help, but
your lips are sealed.
Das ist halt echt scheiße.
I'm sorry if I'm wasting your time. I thought I knew how to say it.
Ribbons. Faith wore one too.
Ja, das
Do
sind...
you like it?
Nein.
Do you?
It's not how it looks that concerns me. It's what it does. That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it? That spell Crane talked about. Is there any way to break it? Is there something I can do about
Ich
it?
möchte das Ribbon nicht direkt wegnehmen. Ich erinnere mich nämlich daran, dass Faith ihr Ribbon, oder Lily war es, ihr Ribbon im Mund hatte und der Kopf da lag.
Slow down.
Und das Ribbon ist direkt am Hals und Kopf. Ich weiß es nicht, aber ich vermute es.
Don't.
Und wenn sie so aufspringt, denke ich das halt auch.
Okay. I get it.
Ja, ich hab's auch.
Ribbons. If you take them off.
Denk an Lily.
I don't know how, but I'm going to fix this. If you could just point me in the right direction, I swear I will fix this.
If anyone finds out I came here,
Ja, hast recht.
That's probably Snow.
Ja, probably.
Sheriff, can you keep this conversation between us?
Ja,
I
kann
could
ich.
be in a lot of trouble.
Zumindest Snow.
Shouldn't be talking to you.
Zumindest Snow.
Gonna have to tell Snow. She has to know about the ribbons.
Nur sie.
If you have to, just don't tell anyone else.
Nein. Niemand außer sie wird's erfahren. Sie ist meine Partnerin. Und in dieser Ermittlung sollten wir keine Geheimnisse voneinander haben.
Excuse us.
1 minute.
I might have a new lead for you, but I don't know how solid it is. Beauty and Beast called the office just now. They said they wanted to talk to you about something. I wonder if they've heard about Crane.
Warum geht sie jetzt, wenn Beauty und Beast kommen?
You should go on to your next business. I don't think you'll be wasting your time. Wait, you don't have to go.
Es hat auf jeden Fall irgendwas mit Snow White zu tun.
Abrupt?
Hat irgendwas mit Snow White zu tun. Sie hat vorher unsere Freunde erwähnt.
I didn't mean to rush her out. Did you get anything from her?
She told me enough. I think she told both of us with the way she just left.
Okay then. Good work.
Ich glaube auch.
So,
Es ist ein bisschen schwer, ihre
think there's something to it?
Rätsel zu entschlüsseln, sage ich jetzt mal.
Look, what could they know about the Crooked Man? Or do you think they just heard about last night and they're scared about what's been going on?
Well, whatever it is, I'm sure they called for a reason. Suppose I better go check it out.
You know, Beauty came to me a while back. She was looking for financial assistance. I told her there was nothing I could do, and she said that meant she'd have to go somewhere else. Hippie, you know,
Immer
the shit that she was supposed
dieses
to go to the Crooked
fucking Geld.
Would explain why they called.
We need to solve this before something else happens.
Immer dieses gottverdammte Geld.
I have matters to attend to.
Okay. Das war jetzt auch ein bisschen unerwartet. Once upon a time.
You didn't want to tell me what you were into either.
Good reason. Look what happened.
So that's back on me now. I thought we agreed that was settled.
You said it was settled. That doesn't mean I have to agree to it.
And when were you going to tell me? Or were you just going to keep that a secret too?
You know what it was. You know what was going on, Beast. I had to get a job, and you wouldn't have it. Don't make it into something it wasn't.
It's the principle of it.
Don't act like you weren't keeping secrets too.
If you're going to bring up ancient history, I don't have to stand here and listen to it.
Fine. Go off in a huff.
Ich möchte nicht, dass er uns draußen erwischt, wie wir warten.
Oh,
Wird gern reinkommen.
Well, you're just going around knocking on doors? Stirring the pot?
I'm sorry. Were you expecting someone else?
No, that was... Forget it. What do you want, Bigby?
Listen, I've had a shitty night.
Oh ja.
You're the only one?
And I really don't want to deal with the runaround. Snow said you called and wanted to talk to me.
Well, I didn't call. Must have been Beauty. She's been surprising me a lot lately.
Ach ja,
So
Beziehungsprobleme.
have you, Bigby. Yet, with all the sneaking around and secrets, somehow I'm still the bad guy in this. I've had to hear about it all night long from her.
Who is it? Who's there? Beast?
If you don't want to talk, can you just get Beauty for me?
I don't know. Is it safe to turn my back?
Jetzt übertreib mal nicht. Ganz ehrlich.
It's your pal, Bigby.
Hi, Bigby. Please excuse us for just a minute. Can I talk to you in private?
Yes, let's.
I guess I really do have the smallest apartment in the Woodlands.
I can already tell you're going to make a problem out of this.
What's he doing here? We don't need to bring him into this.
Beast?
I just don't think we can trust him. Not after the way he went behind my back. And then you run and call him again?
Well, I trust him.
Of course you do. He was keeping secrets for you.
It was one little thing. Do you want to keep fighting about that? Or do you want to try to sort this out?
All I'm saying is we can handle this on our own.
Ich möchte nicht so viel herumschnüffeln.
Out of money and answers.
Urne.
That's why I called.
Was ist da drin? Warum ist hier eine Urne?
We'll finish this later. But we need to talk to Bigby.
Achso, ist nur eine Vase. Okay, die verstecken auf jeden Fall auch irgendwas. Verstecken auch irgendwas. Wir werden herausfinden, was es ist.
Sorry, it's been a long night.
Yeah, you know what they say.
Was ist eigentlich so
Centuries
kalt?
of marriage come with centuries of baggage.
I gotta say, your place, it looks, expensive.
Aber sie hat doch auch
What do you
Schulden.
mean by that?
Beast!
Das
No,
haben wir
really,
bei
I
Dings
wanna
gesehen.
know. What are you trying to say, huh? Did you come to give us decorating tips?
I thought you were having money problems, but it doesn't look like you're suffering to me. Is this something about that loan you took out? From the crooked man?
Das so direkt wollte ich jetzt auch nicht sein.
Deal with this on our own.
Okay, gut, er weiß es schon.
Complicated.
I called him here, and I want to see if he can help us out.
Okay.
Why are you being like this?
I'm just trying to do what's best for us.
Well, what kind of trouble are you in? Either it's the money or it's something else.
I gotta know one thing first. What if we did have something to say about the Crooked Man? What if we talk and you don't get it? And all this comes back on us? We'd be risking a lot.
Und
We've
das...
seen what happens when you cross the Crooked Man. And I don't know if it's worth it. If you can't give us certain assurances.
We're just looking for a little peace of mind in this.
You think you're the only ones in danger? If you have info on that crooked bastard, I need to hear it. Otherwise, I've got better things to do.
No, please don't.
Es ist halt echt so...
What the fuck is going on? You're in so much debt? Look around you. This isn't the way people short on cash live.
Look, we're used to a certain kind of lifestyle, okay? We couldn't just give that
We
up.
never meant for it to get like this. It's just that we had nowhere else to turn. And we got in over our heads.
Das sehe
There's
ich.
not a lot of work out there. Who would we be if we lived like...
Wie normale Menschen? Ihr werdet normale Menschen! Hab ich hier Kronleuchter und sonst was hängen? Ein paar Poster, das war's! Gut, okay, ich wohne noch daheim, aber das ist ein Unterschied.
let me just...
A day at the beach? Skiing the slopes?
Can we finish this conversation first?
I should get that.
Leave
Come
a message
on.
at the beep and we'll get back to you as soon as... humanly possible. Beep!
Okay, das ist irgendwie süß.
Fucking message. I'm gonna come down there and bash your heads in with that machine if I have to call again and hear that fucking message one
Ich fand das voll süß.
I've been doing this
hell did you get yourselves into?
The Crooked Man's gonna get his, one way or another.
One way or another. So.
All I care about is, how can I find the Crooked Man? Who do I talk to? Where do I go?
The Lucky Pawn. That's where I borrowed the money. The Crooked Man's behind that place. I'd overheard people talking to Jersey about loans before. So, when I needed money, that's where I went. I didn't know what to do.
You could have told me.
You had enough on your plate.
Wait, who do you deal with?
Jersey. You know, the Jersey Devil.
Was?
Oh yeah, that slimy prick. I didn't realize he was back on this side of the river.
And those Tweedles were always going in and out.
Boah.
Probably dropping off a loan payment they squeezed out of some...
Ja, das haben wir gesehen in
Never the Crooked Man.
den
Maybe
Akten.
it's just regular fables. I can see now that it was a mistake, but I'm not the only one who goes there, you know. I saw the woodsman's axe there just the other day. It was in a display case.
I guess he's hit hard times too. There's a lot of that going around. I can't imagine he has a lot of marketable skills.
Sometimes fables just don't have anywhere else to go.
What the hell are you doing hanging out at a place like the Lucky Pawn anyway?
Sometimes fables sell things they brought from the homelands. Things you can't find anywhere else.
You do know there's a difference between pawning something and selling it, don't you?
I know that.
You're buying a piece of someone else's misery. With money you don't have.
Well, that's over now.
Ja, will ich auch hoffen.
Maybe if you go there, you can sort some things out.
Weißt
I'll go check out the Lucky Pawn.
im Endeffekt ist der Crooked Man im Recht. Sie hat Schulden bei ihm und sie sollte ihn anderen halt auch bezahlen. Das...
Find me.
Hold on, Bigby.
Na klar, er darf es nicht übertreiben oder so, aber wenn sie Schulden hat, ist es selber schuld. Da bin ich ganz ehrlich.
You know that butcher shop, the cut above? It's the place on Tubman Street. Same block as the baker and the candlestick maker. Well, I've been delivering packages from there for a while. The thing is, it's for the Crooked Man. And I don't think it's meat in the packages. You gotta understand, I needed work.
Well, what are you delivering? What's going on there? How does this fit into the Crooked Man's operation?
I couldn't.
Moment mal eben. Die Musik ist ein bisschen laut. Müsst ihr dann doch mal eben leiser machen. Ich hab den letzten Mal leise gemacht, aber irgendwie wird es zurückgestellt.
But I do know this.
Besser.
It's the only meat market in town that doesn't carry filet. I'm not sure how much actual butchery goes on there.
How did you get involved with this?
Johann the butcher called. He had a problem with the refrigeration unit one night. But when I finished, it was your pal Mary who showed up to pay me. She said I was reliable. She liked that. And it's the only thing I've been able to pick up. And it's still not enough. I don't want Beauty to have to work, especially not where she was.
So you do their dirty work and look the other way.
Work is work. All I do is deliver stuff. I just wanted to provide for Beauty. Give her the kind of life she deserves.
Übertreib doch nicht. The kind of life she deserves. Der guckt dir mal die Wohnung an. Man kann es echt übertreiben, wenn man kein Geld hat, dann sollte man sich das nicht kaufen.
We were royalty once. We were accustomed to a certain lifestyle. All we want is to make this place feel a little bit like home.
Sachen verändern sich halt und man muss es halt auch irgendwie akzeptieren.
Bigby.
So, where are you going? If this all goes sideways, I'd like to know where it's coming from.
Okay. Lucky Pawn oder Butcher Shop? Wir wissen, da kriegt er seine Arbeit her. Also das mit den Paketen für den Crooked Man. Aber Hier hat Beauty ihr Geld geliehen. Es hat beides was mit Crooked Man zu tun. Okay, jetzt ist die Frage, wo gehen wir jetzt hin? Also vom Lucky Pawn hat Beauty ihr Geld her. Da steckt also auf jeden Fall der Crooked Man dahinter. Und beim Butcher Shop kommen die ganzen Pakete an und die Aufträge für Beast. Jetzt ist die Frage, wo finden wir mehr? Beef Sausage? Ich glaube, wir gehen zuerst zum Lucky Pawn, weil generell überall da, wo Geld im Spiel ist, geht's nicht mehr recht ein Ding zu.
I'm going to the Lucky Pawn. There's too much going on there to ignore. I'll have a word or two.
Eine Weile schon, 1,5 Stunden. Also ein ganzes Kapitel habe ich schon durch. Das dritte.
Well, I guess I'll find out.
Hätte ich Walle fragen können. Er hat's gewusst, er war vorher auch da.
Wait, I don't know what you're planning to do when you find the Crooked Man, but is there any way you could help us out?
Wie denn?
Well, maybe you can make this all just go away.
Wie stellst du dir das jetzt vor?
Really appreciate it.
Ihr habt Schulden.
What do you say?
Ihr habt Schulden.
I don't go around fixing.
Ihr habt Schulden und ihr müsst sie zurückzahlen. Punkt. Ihr seid selber schuld. Da bin ich eiskalt.
Keep us in mind, please.
I'm
Ga-
sure you'll do the right thing.
Ganz ehrlich, wenn ihr meint, ihr müsst euch so einen teuren Scheiß kaufen und dafür Schulden aufnehmen, seid ihr selber schuld. Man gibt kein Geld aus, was man nicht hat. Ich höre mich an wie meine Mutter. Ich höre mich genauso an wie meine Mutter. Mein Gott.
No, it's not.
Ach, was machst du denn hier?
In a pile of garbage.
Jack,
Das
what
ist
on-
Donkey Skin.
I've seen you take a torn purse for a tenner.
Yeah, but I also got her phone number. I don't want your phone number. Ugh. Really?
Kann. Moment, ne?
Bigby's here.
Oh,
This is a surprise.
I'm just here for information.
Kann man schreiben, der Stream geht circa bis 12.
2 minutes and I'll be out your way.
Vielleicht auch ein bisschen länger.
I'm not taking the coat.
But it's magic.
Zickern Magic.
And it'll be covering a check I already wrote.
Okay, well, that sounds like a your problem to me.
Yeah, it is. And so I came here to
Das habe ich
sort
nämlich
it
gerade
out.
auch gedacht, das könnte doch Faith.
Wait,
Warte mal, ich schreibe circa bis. Oh,
minute, that's Faith's coat. It was Faith's coat. You left it in my place. What do you expect me to do?
Es zurückbringen.
Statute of Finders Keepers clearly states that it's his now, Bigby.
So what's it gonna be?
I don't know what to tell you. See if Cindy needs a coat. I don't know.
This is to pay for those bloody glamours, you know. You and your blinkered rules. If a witches didn't charge so fucking much, I wouldn't have to be in here dealing with this nonsense.
What are you complaining to him for?
The witches set their own prices, Toad.
Hi,
and the prices are
Frame.
set because of greed. Making a
Wenn du es mit
glamour
SM64 übertreibst, dann timeout ich dich einfach wieder.
spare me the lesson and who do it.
Weil langsam nervt's
I
einfach nur
don't
noch.
wanna hear it.
I don't know what you're getting so steamed about. Shouldn't be that big of a shock that I'm not gonna take an ass hair coat.
No, I guess it shouldn't be, since this whole bleeding operation's just a setup for one of his shady fucking loans.
Ixnay on the onlays, okay, Ogfrey?
I mean, what kind of a game are you running here? You
Toad?
turn down people's stuff so you can peddle his shit?
Shut up.
I know who you're talking about.
Ogfrey?
The
Nein.
Crooked Man, right? This is his place. Those are his loans. Well, I'll leave you to your business. I'm sure you'll have a lot to talk about.
Luck
Toad,
with that glamour, Toad.
das ist nicht dein.
Leave the code.
No.
How the hell do you expect me to get a glamour then? Not
Ich
with a
versteh-
couple of options, you know. Look, I'll give you some money.
Ich verstehe halt auch nicht, warum die für den Glamour verdammt nochmal Geld bezahlen müssen. Das.
I'm... Oh, shit. I thought I still had... Do you even know how much a glamour costs?
Nein.
I've never had to buy one. Keep your money, Sheriff. I've no patience for charity. If you're gonna be out like this, can't you at least wear a bigger hat? You know, it's getting hard to tell the difference. Between what? Between the business office and fables like a Crooked Man, who you purportedly seek to protect us from. Either way, I'm getting screwed.
Drop by anytime.
Look, I'm sorry, all right? What else do you want from me?
Warum kosten die Glamours überhaupt Geld? Wer hat das entschieden, ganz ehrlich?
Look, I work here sometimes for the extra cash. It's something stable.
Ja, aber es...
You know, between more entrepreneurial bouts. And before you ask, I've never seen the Crooked Man in here. Neither hide nor hair and all that. In fact, as far
Der
as
lässt
I
auch
can
andere
tell,
Leute
he's
sein
never even
Stuff
actually set his
erledigen.
foot in here.
But Bloody Mary works for him.
Eben.
Last time I saw her, she had the woodsman's axe.
So?
So the last time anybody else saw that axe, it was here.
We'd never take something like that.
Ah, du kannst aber gut lügen.
Really? Why you came down here?
Du kannst echt gut lügen.
Axe? Because I don't know anything about it.
I'll be asking the questions here, Jack.
Okay, fine. Fire away.
So.
I'm not a mind reader. And unless it's bar trivia, I don't think I can help much anyway.
Where's the manager? Why isn't he here?
Maybe I'm the manager. You ever think of that?
I know you aren't. So where is he?
I don't know. I don't keep tabs on him. He's probably out getting shit-faced and eating cows right now. Listen, I gotta start closing up shop, so,
Close. It's the middle of the day.
what can I say? Jersey likes to run at odd hours. And really, he'd be the one to talk to, so can't you just swing by later? It really wouldn't be good for me if he sees your face when he walks in. So,
I still think you're hiding something, Jack. Maybe the axe is back here.
it's not.
It was
Ich
bad
denke
enough
es nicht nur, ich bin mir sicher.
And if it's not here, I need to track down that psycho who had it last.
It's not here.
You better hope not.
Can't you
Shut
just...
up, Jack. If the Jersey Devil isn't here to answer my questions, it also means he isn't here to get in my way. So I'm gonna take a look around, as long as I've got the elbow room.
All right. Don't let me get in your way.
I won't.
Okay, das heißt, wir suchen die Axt. Habe ich das richtig verstanden? Wir haben einen Amboss. Toll.
What's the anvil for?
Blacksmith didn't need it.
Haven't seen him around for a while.
Hm.
The Headless Horseman. Isn't this Crane's?
Maybe? I don't know.
Das ist jetzt sowieso egal. Warte, was stand da gerade mit den Waffen? All gun exchanges subject to background checks. Die nehmen hier sogar Waffen? Das ist ja toll.
This is Prince Lawrence's dagger.
Mit dem wollte ich eigentlich auch noch reden.
I don't know. Look,
Aber
what
und
he's done. A dagger isn't exactly the axe, so, who cares, really?
Why would Lawrence do something like that?
Because he's poor. That's why.
Das war eine dumme Frage.
You don't know how hard most of us have it, do you?
Tatsächlich nein.
Yeah? If you had my job, you wouldn't get out of bed.
It was a rhetorical question, but sure, fine.
Ja. Ich glaube halt echt nicht, dass die Fables das wirklich leicht haben. Ich weiß nicht, wie viel diese Glamours kosten. Ich weiß auch nicht, warum die überhaupt was kosten. Sieht man eigentlich nicht, dass dieses Geld eigentlich echt nur Scheiße macht? Ganz ehrlich, ist irgendwie echt doof. Geld ist scheiße, wisst ihr das? Geld ist einfach Kacke. Wir sollten wieder tauschen, so wie früher. Scheiß auf Geld. Okay, die Axt war aber hier.
Thought you said you'd never take something like this.
What? I don't,
Jack?
Yeah?
When was Mary here?
Who here?
Bloody Mary. Because the axe was here, but it's gone. And she had it.
Sie wollte mich damit umbringen. Ich bin mir sicher, dass sie es hatte.
I don't know anything about this.
Also,
I don't, really.
du bist so ein schlechter Lügner.
And even when I do work, I just try to keep my head down.
Just tell me the truth. What happened to the axe?
It was Mary. She took it, okay? That's all I know.
That's all you know? You don't know she almost fucking killed me with it last night?
No. No. I had no goddamn idea. She sometimes comes in to pick up shit. Sometimes it's for her. Sometimes it's for the Crooked Man. but I'm smart enough to not ask questions, alright?
You know where she lives? Where she took it?
I don't know where that crazy chick lives, and I don't want to know.
Well, for your sake, you better think of something to tell me.
That's all I can tell you. I'm being straight here. I'm just part-time. I mean, it's Jersey who's the one who's into this stuff. He's one of the Crooked Man's boys.
Boah, geht mir der auf den
And
Sack.
it'd be great if he was here to tell you all this, but he's not. So just
Jersey, don't give me that shit. What the fuck is the point of having a system? If
What's
you're
man?
just
That's
gonna-
my fucking system.
But you're the guy who makes sure
I'm
that...
the guy that keeps shit in order, and that's it, Woody. Who closed the fucking gate? Jack?
Hiya!
If you love your ex so fucking much, why'd you pawn it in the first fucking place, huh?
I didn't pawn it, asshole. It was stolen from my apartment.
Was?
Brent said that he saw it here. Now tell me where it is right fucking now.
Hallo!
Hiya, fellas.
Christ. And this fucking guy, too?
Bigby? What
Is
are
his
you...
axe even here?
nope, it isn't.
Just like I said, it's not here. Happy?
Die war aber hier.
I got shit to do, so whatever you're here for, make it snappy.
Mensch, die können mich ja alle richtig gut leisen.
Actually, you know what? I don't care what he wanted.
Wait, we're not finished yet.
Yes, we are.
You work with the Crooked Man. Until I give you permission, you're not gonna do anything but answer my questions.
How's your arm? Bloody Mary leaves a bit of a stink, don't she?
Junge, pass auf, was du sagst.
Every morning, Bigby's joined the Crooked Man's obedience school for wayward fucking creatures. He's already passed his first class. You see, the sheriff had who he stupidly thought was the murderer. Been chasing him for fucking days, right? But the Crooked Man snapped his bony fingers, and Bigby handed him over, just like that.
I'm, just gonna, let you two, you know.
The Crooked Man appreciated that.
Halt die Fresse!
Everything you know right now about the murders and the Crooked Man.
Ah, hat's gesehen.
Are you kidding me? It was here. It was right fucking here. What did you do with it?
How the fuck do I know?
Listen,
Nun ja, ich weiß es.
you're gonna... You piece of shit.
Ba-ba-ba-ba-bam. Ba-ba-bam.
Back it up, Jersey. You're dealing with me now.
I didn't expect to see you upright. Still looking for whoever killed them hookers? Or are you done chasing your tail?
Where's my axe? Who'd you give it to?
You follow me here all the way from Battery fucking Park?
Hey, back off and settle down.
Oh, what the fuck are you gonna do? You talk big, but I don't think you got the stones to back it up.
Alter, jetzt...
So are we? Why should Mary get all the fun? You ain't so tough.
Okay. 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 Das hast du gesagt.
Fucking mother.
Das hast du jetzt gesagt. Und das hast du davon. Fick dich. Hübsch siehst du aus.
This is my fucking fight.
Das-
Not now.
Dog, you got a lot of nerve.
Ich möchte mich nicht mit dem Woodsman streiten, da bin ich ganz sicher. Boah, Alter, Igitt, ist das hässlich. Mach es weg. Muss es eigentlich immer in Gewalt enden? Alter, ist ja gut jetzt. Leute, kommt mal bitte alle runter. Wir können doch alle abwarten und Tee trinken. Das Abwarten lassen wir weg, aber Tee ist immer gut. Alter Vater. Weißt du eigentlich, wie hässlich du bist? Das ist echt krass.
Fucking stay down. There she is.
Ah, seine Axt. Ja, er geht mir auf den Sack. Nope. Nicht mit mir. Nicht mit mir. Nope. Ich sollte doch auf Woody achten, weil wir brauchen die Axt noch. Brechen wir ihm halt sein Hörnchen ab. Ist mir eigentlich auch egal. Yay! Und boom! So. Haben wir genug? Noch nicht. Will ich weitermachen? Mach ich doch gerne. Mach ich ganz, ganz gerne. Glaub. Alter Vater! Aua. Er hat Hunger, der Kleine. Heute kriegt er nichts mehr zu essen. Das kann ich euch sagen. Oh, snap. Das gehört Crane, das machen wir kaputt. Finde ich voll gut. Holy shit, ist dieses Spiel brutal. Oh. So, haben Sie nein, 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 nein.
So, wanna try again?
You can't find a crooked man. No one can. There's no address, no place. He lives in the bends and forks of tree roots, behind the sun, in the shadows.
That's not good enough.
Oh, the door to his house. It bounces around. Never in one spot. You'll never find it. Even Crane had to use the magic mirror.
Okay.
That fucking guy. Oh, mirror, mirror.
Okay, that's Crane's way. How do you contact him?
Oh, I don't. He uses couriers for everything. Ravens, oh, goblins, the fucking Tweedles. Whatever. I go in when I'm taken there. You don't know anything about anything, do you? What do you have? Nothing. That useless bitch Snow White and a broken fucking mirror. No fucking friends. And no clue about who was really running this town.
Where did you hear it got broken?
Oh, that. Gossip flies fast. We're like a sewing circle. It doesn't matter what you fucking do. You're not gonna get him. You wanna knock on his fucking door and see what happens? Fine. Crane had the mirror. Bloody Mary had Crane. So take your fucking wrecking crew act to the butcher shop.
The cut above. If I can find the mirror piece there, I can find the crooked man.
Wir brauchen den Spiegel.
Their spot. That's where all the magic happens.
Wir brauchen diesen Spiegel.
So I can find some aspirin.
Okay.
He ain't going anywhere.
Will Mary be there?
You want me to draw you a picture? I don't fucking know. You got what you want. Now get the fuck out of here.
Okay. Danke dir. So sehr schwer, diesen Crooked Man zu finden. Ja, bitte?
Those girls are still dead. Oh, and there's nothing you can do to bring them back. And I don't know what they did, but I do know this. Oh, if they're dead, it's because the Crooked Man wanted them dead. That's all it takes. So you can raw smash the place up. Shit. You can wail on me all you want. But what good is it gonna do you? 'Cause he ain't in your town. You're in his. And he sure as shit is ready for you.
Puh. Das ist... Ach, zwei Rivalen, die sich zumindest ein Stück weit vertragen haben. Ich mag das. Wenn sich Rivalen vertragen, das ist immer schön. Ich mag sowas. Jetzt rauchen sie zusammen. Es ist zwar ungesund, aber sie tun etwas zusammen. Bitte. Ist kalt. Ich esse gleich was.
You're welcome.
I'm not gonna lie. I was having trouble deciding which one of you to hit with this.
Warum? Ich hab doch gar nichts gemacht. Nein, ich hab so gespielt, dass keiner gestorben ist. Tatsächlich. Ich hätte jemanden töten können, aber es bringt nichts, deshalb habe ich ihn am Leben gelassen. Siehst du aber dann danach auf YouTube. Ich lasse auf YouTube hoch. Oder ich kann es dir jetzt sagen. Oh, du willst warten. Mir egal.
Is that the plan?
It's my job. I'll get him.
do it then.
Hey, Woody.
Yeah.
You gonna be all right?
You know me.
Okay. Kommt dann im Laufe der nächsten Woche, aber ich weiß noch nicht wann. Ich guck dann. Aber sie ist ja dann. Gut. Gut. Ich glaube, der Crooked Man hat mehr Macht, als wir bis jetzt dachten. Und das gefällt mir halt gar nicht. Bigby raucht echt viel. Rauchen nicht erlaubt. Macht die Zigarette aus. Dankeschön. Vielleicht noch in Müll. Dann lass es auf dem Boden liegen. Mein Gott. Muss mich noch kurz ausstrecken. Ach, wenn du, keine Ahnung, wie viele Stunden sitzt, ist es schon. Jetzt das Trinken, das zu essen, Ticketry, das ist eigentlich alles irgendwie richtig uninteressant. Wir ringen mal die Bell. Ding, ding. Entschuldigung. Oh. Hi.
Bigby Wolf?
Yep. Wolf.
What happened to you?
I'm looking for a piece of the magic mirror.
What?
The magic mirror's missing shard. Where is it? Bloody Mary.
Der versteckt auch was.
What? Bloody Mary?
Das sind alles so unglaublich schlechte Lügner.
What place do you think this is?
Don't bullshit me.
I'm not. What you're looking for, I think you'd be better off looking at the Lucky Pond.
Da war ich schon.
Yeah, or someplace like that. You know where it is, right? It's around the corner.
Da war ich schon, mein Lieber. Jetzt bin ich hier.
Didn't find what I was looking for. Had some words with Jersey too.
Words?
Worte? Ja.
Anyway, if I'd have known you already looked at the Lucky Pond, I wouldn't have pointed you there. I just figured anything worth a damn in Fabletown goes through Jersey's hands at some point. You know that. Believe me, I don't want to waste your time, Sheriff. And I certainly don't mean to offend. I don't know how else to help.
Yeah, well, Jersey wasn't very helpful. In fact, he was a total asshole.
Ja, er kommt hin.
Sorry. I've only been in that place a couple of times. I guess I don't know him too well.
Listen, Crane had the mirror. Mary had Crane. And she comes around here, right? If you're covering for her, I'm gonna have a problem with you. So you better think real hard about what you say next.
Sheriff, Did you hear that?
Willst du mich verarschen?
Oh, I'm real sorry. Hold on. I just gotta go check.
Ganz ehrlich, willst du mich?
I'll be right back.
Butcher?
I just have to go see.
Willst du mich verarschen? Ganz ehrlich, ich lass mich von dir nämlich nicht verarschen.
Shit.
Er hat nämlich jemand gerufen, so sieht's aus. Lecker. Alle Vegetarier mal bitte wechseln, dankeschön.
Covered back here, Sheriff. I'll be right out. Just wait out front. I'll be right there. I've got a bit of a mess back here.
Ich sag mal gar nichts.
Can you come back tomorrow, maybe? I'm sorry, Sheriff, but you're not supposed to be back here for safety purposes.
Ich find dich.
Come on, damn it.
Such an innocent guy, you're acting pretty damn strange, Johann.
Von welchem Mechanisch ist der eigentlich?
Don't know what to tell you.
Ist das nicht der... Irgendein Koch aus einem Schloss? Sogar? Ariel oder so? Keine Ahnung.
Kill me.
An den erinnert er mich irgendwie.
Fucking kill me.
Da ist er ja.
He's gonna get me killed. Things I do.
What are you hiding behind that door?
Huh? Please, Bigby. Please don't.
Bigby? What happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff.
Ich töte dich, jetzt übertreib doch nicht.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Warum denken eigentlich die Leute, dass ich jeden umbringe? Was soll der Scheiß? Ganz ehrlich, wenn wir jetzt auch in die Märchenwelt gehen, hat der große böse Wolf irgendwann mal jemanden umgebracht? Gut, er hat die 7 Geißlein gegessen, aber die sind aus dem Bauch wieder raus. Er hat noch nie in keinem Märchen irgendjemand umgebracht oder ermordet. Zumindest nicht, dass ich es wüsste. Dankeschön. Ja, ist mir...
Johann, you could keep your life and lose your shop, or lose both. What would you do? It was a simple choice to make in the moment. Easy, even when they got you on a hook in the deep freeze.
Just open the door, Johann. It won't be your problem anymore.
I can't.
Doch, du kannst. Drück einfach den Knopf.
What's back there?
I don't know. Honest. I've never been back there. It's locked from the other side.
Als
Look,
ob.
the front. That's all I'm supposed to do.
So you are a part of this. You've been bullshitting me this whole time. I've already asked you, and I don't like repeating myself. Where's the mirror shard? So help me, I will put your head through that damn door. Tell me what I need to know. Now.
I don't know. I'm not part of their crew.
Du bist schlecht.
The Crooked Man's
Ja, Herr Wessels.
Jersey Devil, D and Dumb, and that mental case Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me, took over my storage and delivery a long time ago. All cause of that heat.
Eigentlich ist mir egal.
I've heard all I need to.
I'm just a victim in this. I don't know what they do back there. I swear. And I don't want to know.
Well, we're about to see what's back there. And then we'll see if I believe you.
Jetzt mach einfach auf, ja?
I knew this would happen. Didn't know when. But there would be the day.
Ich bin ein Werwolf. Ich brauche keine Schlüssel. Ist das... Es sieht labormäßig... Meth? Ist das Meth? Da ist eine Lampe, wo Run steht. Gefällt mir nicht. Black Forest, Nosebleed, Tongue of a Dog. Hier war irgendwas gefesselt.
What is this?
Was zur Hölle?
I don't know. They muscled me out. I swear I don't know anything more.
Okay,
I haven't
jetzt...
been back here when it was like this.
Das glaube ich ihm. Das glaube ich ihm. Jetzt sage ich die Wahrheit. Ja. Das sind die, die er vorne gedrückt hat.
It's all I've ever had. I guess that's why I stuck around when they took it.
Das ist der Knopf, den er drauf. Knopf vorne.
You'd still be here if you hadn't flipped that switch out there.
Eben.
I had to. Huh. You come in here making trouble for me, but you only give a shit now because the Crooked Man stepped on your toes or something. Where were you when they took this place from me? It hasn't been easy for me. You think I want to live with this at my back? I needed help. I needed your help.
You're not off the fucking hook yet, Butcher. If I find something, if I so much as smell something that makes me think you're lying. So this is what Beast was delivering.
Yeah.
Glamours. Other kinds of magic. Could be dangerous stuff.
Holy shit, ich weiß gar nicht, wo ich anfangen soll, um ehrlich zu sein. Was ist das alles? Was?
Chains. Who's getting chained up here?
You can't think I'm the only one the Crooked Man has under his yoke.
Es ist halt echt krass, wie der Crooked Man an jeder Ecke und an jedem Ende Scheiße baut.
fucking same.
Dass es überall Ärger gibt und dann... Natürlich wird er so nach und nach die Stadt übernehmen. Wir haben auch einfach zu wenig Personal. Wir haben 4 Leute. Einer davon hat sich am Arsch gekratzt und hat das ganze Geld verbrasselt. Der andere ist ein Arschloch. Und dann haben wir noch Bigby und Snow White. Die haben auch einfach zu wenig Personal, um ganz Fabletown aufrechtzuerhalten, dass da irgendwann ein Böser kommt und sich den Thron, die Macht an sich reißt, ist klar. Mein Gott, Leute. Macht doch einmal einen Job richtig.
Greenleaf and any other rogue witches out there probably get their supplies here. Too bad they had time to erase it all. This could have been useful.
Vielleicht hätten wir auch, ja auch schneller sein können. Hier noch mehr drauf? Oh, fuck's sake. Toll. Das sind noch mehr Pakete.
It's on all the packages. What is it?
That's the Crooked Man's brand. It's on everything that goes in and out of here.
So you do know something, huh? Is that a wheel or what?
I guess they never used that thing on wolves, huh?
What's that supposed to mean?
It's from back in the homelands. A torture device. It came over here with the rest of our stories. Not that Mundies need any help coming up with that kind of thing. It makes people crooked by breaking their bones and... Do I really need to explain this?
Ja, lass es. Ist okay. Warte, was? Vor allem der Crooked Man, der muss ja auch irgendwie an sein Geld und an seine Macht gekommen sein. Wahrscheinlich hat hier alles angefangen mit diesem Herstellen der Glamours. Dann hat er die halt nach und nach verkauft und so ging es dann halt weiter. Und dadurch hat er im Untergrund und im Geheimen die Macht an sich gerissen.
What are they making here?
I'm just a butcher. You want to talk T-bones? That I can do. This stuff is out of my league.
T-Bones? Meinst du das? Okay, der war schlecht.
What the hell is that?
Eine Jacke. Das ist auf jeden Fall die Jacke von Bloody Mary. Das sehe ich von 20 Metern Entfernung. Aber bevor wir uns diese Jacke angucken, gibt's Werbung und ich mache mir eine Pizza. Bis